Today we'll do sum on sum of n terms of a GP series. Means, last class we have done the formula. What is sum of n term of a GP series? A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Wait for 1 minute. Let it be clear. A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 Sn equal to sum of n terms of a GP series. Now, say first sum. Find the sum. Find the sum. 2, 6, 18, up to 7 terms. Find the sum. So here A is equal to what? 2. This is a GP series. 6 by 2 is 3. 18 by 6 is also 3. So this is a GP series. So A equal to 2. R equal to what? R equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Now Sn formula. A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 equal to A. What is A? 2. What is n? 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. A is 2, R is what? Sorry, R is 3. 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now n is also given, sum up to 7 term. So S7. So 2, 3 to the power 7 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is again 2. 2, 2 cancel. 3 to the power 7 minus 1. Now value of 3 to the power 7 is 2187 minus 1. So it will be what? 2186. Okay, so this is the way to find sum of n term of a GP series. Okay, find the sum. One more sum. Find the sum. Find the sum. 2 by 9 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 up to 5 terms. So first term is 2 by 9. R is what? 1 by 3 by 2 by 9. So this will be 3 ja minus 3 by 2. Okay. So A is 2 by 9, R is minus 3 by 2. We have to find sum up to how many term? 5 term. So S5. S5. A r to the power n divided by r minus 1. A is what? 2 by 9. R is what? Minus 3 by 2. N is what? 5 minus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 minus 1. So this will be 2 by 9. 3 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5 minus 1 by 3 by 2 minus 1. So minus 5 by 2. So this will be 4 by 45. So this minus, take minus common from this one, so all will become plus. Now, 3 to the power 5, 243. 2 to the power 5, 32 by 32. Now, 4 by 45 into 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2 by 32. 4. 8, 4 is 32. Now, then answer will be equal to what? Answer will be equal to can we divide it by 7? No. 211 divided by 8, 5 is 40, 8, 4 is 32, 33, 34. So 211 divided by 340. Okay. We can check this one again because some calculation, there may be mistake in some calculation. So this is 2 by 9. This is your what? Minus 1 by 3 by 2 by 9. So 3 ja. So it will go up by minus 3 by 2. So A r to the power n minus 1. So here something, here it is wrong. Here it will be, since I have taken minus common, it will be plus here. Now 3, 4, 5. So this will change. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 275. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 275 here. Okay. So 8, 4 is 32. Now we can cancel out. 5, 9 is 45. And 5, 5 is 25. 25, 25, 5, 5 is 25. So 8, 9 is 72. 55 by 72. This is the correct answer. Now it is correct. Okay. Understood? The next sum. Number 3. Find the sum. Find the sum. 5, 55, 555. Now how to do this type of sum? 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus ... Solution. 5, 55, 555 ... Take 5 common. Write 1, 11, 111 ... Divided by 9, multiply by 9. 999, 999 ... 9 we can write 10 minus 1. 99 we can write 100 minus 1. 999 we can write 1000 minus 1 ... 10, 10 square, 10 cube ... What I've done? See. I've written the first numbers. 10, 10 square, 10 cube ... Then minus 1, 1, 1 ... Last one is also 1. Now how many terms are there? Find the term up to n terms. Up to n terms. So these are all up to n terms. Up to n terms. Here also up to n terms. Up to n terms. So similarly, this one also up to n terms. Up to n terms. And this one n terms. But n term is also 1 because all the terms are 1. So n term is also 1. Here also up to n terms. Okay. So this will be 5 by 9. Then this is a GP series whose first term is 10, common ratio is 10. So sum is what? A r to the power n up to n term. So r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Minus 1 you are adding n times. 1 you are adding n times. So it will be equal to also what? N. So it will be equal to 5 by 9, 10, 10 to the power n minus 1 by 9 minus. So this is the answer. Okay. Next question. How many terms of GP? 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4 ... taken to make sum 3069 by 512. A is 3, R is 3 by 2, 3, so cancel out, this will be equal to half. This will be equal to half. And what given? You have to find what? You have to find n. What given? Sum is given to you. What? 3069 divided by 512. So Sn is given to you. 3069 divided by 512. What is the formula? A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. 3069 divided by 512. What is A? 3. What is r? Half to the power n minus 1 divided by half minus 1. 3069 divided by 512. So it will be what? This will be, let it be half to the power n minus 1. And this will be, if I take LCM, this will be minus half. 3069 divided by 512. Now you can divide by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Take this one to the numerator. So this will be 2 half to the power n minus 1 equal to 1023 divided by 512. Bring this (512) into 2. So it will be 1024. So half to the power n minus 1 equal to 1023 by 1024. Then take 1 to that side. Take 1 to that side implies one zero two four. Another minus is there. One minute. This is the minus is there, so you can take this minus to the right hand side. Take it to the right hand side. Take this one to the right hand side. Take this minus to the right hand side and this minus to the right hand side. So bring this one to this side, plus 1. So half to the power n. So half to the power n equal to minus 1023 plus 1024 by 1024. So half to the power n equal to 1 by 1024. So half to the power n equal to this, I can write 1 by 2 to the power 10. So n equal to what? N equal to 10. Understood? So these are some sum by sum of HGP series. Okay. Now you can do some sum. I'll give you assignment.